Hi everyone, this is Sia. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing great and learning this language great way. So friend, in this video I am going to talk about why are you not speak this language. Okay, first of all, if you are beginner, so you think like this that I am giving my 100%, but now I am not speak this language. So what I did mistake, okay, because I am giving my so much time in this language. If you also someone, so watch this video till the very end, because this video is going to be helpful for you. Okay, first of all, when you start your English journey, you think that you spend like 1 month 2 month with this language, and then you try to speak, but you can't speak, and then you think that why I am not speak this language. So don't think like this, because you are not giving so much time. Okay, because this language is take so much time. Okay, and if you spend like a 6 month 1 year in this language, so this is a very small time. Okay, so many people they speak this language like a 5 year 10 year, but now they are not learn whole thing. Okay, so whatever you learn according your need. Okay, if you speak this language for casually, so you are spend your free time. If you learn this language, you preparing for some exams, so you need to learn grammar rule. Okay, and when you learn grammar rule, so it's take time. Okay, so why you learn this language, why should you learn this language, you ask yourself. So many people they do mistake. They see other people, they belong to rural area and they speak very good English, so people see them and inspire them, and they are also start their English journey. But what they forget, they are not this is dream. Okay, they are not aware of their dream, and then sometime later they are demotivated because this is not their dream. Okay, so if you learn this language normally, so you can learn, but if this is your dream, so you are not demotivated. Okay, ask yourself why should I learn this language, and then you jump into this journey, because this journey is take time. Okay, and if this is not your dream, so you are demotivated, and then you quit, and then you are regretting that I am giving my 100%, I spend lots of time. But this is a not your fault, this is not your journey fault. Okay, and you are not find out anything. So when you, if this is your dream, so you are work on for this journey. Okay, first of all, when you start your journey, you take time. Okay, and you follow a small thing, so this journey is not very difficult for you. Okay, what people they do mistake while learning this language, they follow so many strategy, they are not create their own strategy. People listen so many people, other people, every person's life story is different. Some people learn this language without any kind of help. We have our mobile phone. Okay, so use your mobile phone in a productive way, because our mobile phone is help us lot. Okay, if you use your mobile phone in a productive way, okay, we spend lots of time scrolling reels. Okay, and then we see time, so we are not find out where time goes. Okay, so if you do productive thing, so you have lots of time. Why you not have time? Because you spend your time in seeing rubbish thing, and also our mind is interested to watch them, and then we are going there, we are not came in short period of time. Okay, so find out that what you read, what you write, and what you see in whole day. We do so many things. Okay, so when we think, then we write, so our subconscious mind also think. At the time we are not understand, but when we speak, so we speak a new word and we are not know. So try to speak this language, try to write it down. If you think that if you, let's suppose you are doing this thing like a 1 month, but every single day, whole day you doing same kind of thing, so you are at the end you are getting bored. Okay, so make sure that if you have time, at least 5 minutes give this language. Okay, if you not have much time, you are speak this language 5 minutes, you are writing this language 5 minutes, because if you give only 5 minutes, so that's sufficient. But don't forget your consistency. Okay, consistency is very important. You learn this language 1 month, 2 month, and then you break your consistency 5 to 6 days. When you try to speak, you can't speak. Okay, this is a very important thing. If we not have environment, okay, so many people, they, if they have environment, so they not need anything to learn this language, because they have environment, whole day they speak this language. But when talking about ourselves, if we not have environment, so how we learn this language? We create our own environment. Okay, if you use mobile phone, you see everything in English. Okay, when you start your journey, at that time you are getting bored, so slowly your mind habitual to uh, speak this language, learn this language, and you are getting interested. Okay, because creating interest is very important. Forget everything, you try to create interest. Okay, and watch everything in English, then interest came. Okay, first when we start our journey, at that time if we seen short video, and if we watch interesting video, okay, learn according your interest. That is also most important thing for you. Whatever you have interest, watch your according your interest. If you interested to watch a cartoon story in English, so you can watch cartoon story. If you scroll interested to scrolling reels, so every single reel you watch in English. So many people they are speak in English and they create short video, so you can watch them, because that kind of video is helpful for you. Okay, and whatever you watch in repeating mode, again and again you watch. Okay, so your subconscious mind get that word and try to learn subtitle. Okay, so you aware of a new word, because increasing vocabulary is also very important thing. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you, then please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. We will meet in the next video. Have a nice day.